Where is your favorite place to reconnect with nature in San Marcos?
My favorite spot to reconnect with nature is definitely the little spot behind Red Point.
Why is it your favorite spot?
It's my favorite spot because it's the only place where I feel like I can go there by myself and I have a nice time. I lay in the sun.
Where is your favorite place in San Marcos to reconnect with nature?
My favorite place is definitely Sul here. I love it. I reconnect with nature best in the sun, and I think that Sul has the best sunlight.
What is your favorite place to go to reconnect with nature?
Probably the nature trail behind our apartments.
Why is it your favorite place?
There's never any people there, and it's always really quiet and peaceful, and I like that there's little lily pads in the water. So yeah.
Where is your favorite place to reconnect with nature?
My favorite place is probably either the San Marcos Cemetery or the place next to Kirby Lane.
Why is it your favorite place?
Well, the San Marcos Cemetery is really peaceful. It's very quiet there. It's a good place to sit and ponder. And same thing for the place next to Kirby Lane. And there's this really pretty waterfall. And yeah, I love it.